Hi, my name is Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to show you 3 things that you could start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. I've found that by giving people an easy free attack plan of things that they could actually do themselves to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, "Please help me, I really have the trust to put in you." So, if at the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or, if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan I give you today and do it yourself, that works for me too. So let me not waste any more of your time and go over 3 things that will set your company above your competition. So the first thing we're going to look at is content quantity, right? So we go ahead and I take your URL here, plug it into a tool called SEO Quick that I use, as we can see. What we see is your homepage only has about 129 words. Now Google has actually released that their optimization is going to want to be at least a minimum of 1,500 words on that homepage. So in order to just meet some of their minimums, you want to add quite a bit of content on that homepage. It's just important to meet those algorithm standards that they've set forth for their people that scrub these sites, or the algorithms rather. It'll also lead into our second point. So the second point is going to be keywords. Now within that content, you want to make sure you're using keywords, whether that be organic keywords or backlink keywords, that are going to be what you want to be found for. So for example, I typed in basement repair Milwaukee, okay? And as you can see, your number one competitor is this accurate basement repair at Milwaukee Basement Foundation Repair, right here. So if we look at them at SEO Quake, they have 930 words, so they're also falling short. But what they do have is a lot of good keywords. They have basement, foundation, repair, basement repair, foundation cracks, things that they want to be found for when people Google them. But if we look at yours, you have no high-ranking ones. Home, maybe, but again, you're missing those. So those are 2 areas that you can improve to help get the top organic listing. But the number one thing that's going to get you in this number one spot is going to be your SEO. And that's where this comes in. So I use a tool called Ahrefs, and we can see that your website URL was typed in. You have 232 backlinks with 39 referring domains, and you're getting about 164 clicks a month, with your DR of 6. Now, if we look at your competitor again, we can see that they have nearly 2,000 backlinks with almost 600 referring domains, and they're driving in 3,500 visits a month, or 3.4 rather. So as you can see, their SEO is clearly working because they're getting a lot of visits on their website. So what is a backlink? Well, simply put, it works like this. Site A would point to Site B, and therefore Site A is acting like link juice, giving them power to Site B. It's authority to Google's eyes, and it's pretty much a popularity contest. You want to have the most relevant sites pointing at you guys. But again, just like the content, quantity and quality go hand in hand. You want to make sure that the content or the backlinks that you're getting are quality from other businesses that are similar to yours, or blog posts like your company as, foundation repair, basement repair. You don't want it coming from like Pizza Hut or McDonald's, because that's not relevant to your site. Now in conclusion, to wrap things up, we talked about 3 things today. We discussed how you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words of content on this homepage. Secondly, we discussed keywords and how you want to have good, strong keywords on your website to make sure that you're found for what you want to be found for example, foundation or basement waterproofing. Lastly, most importantly, we talked about the SEO and how the backlinks are going to be what puts you above the rest, and that you need the most relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you could easily start growing and be number 1 across Google in no time. So what now? Well, you can take this information I provided you today and do it all on your own, which I'm totally cool with. However, if you want the most cost-effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.